Hi, this is a review on the Stoves STINT-DW45 dishwasher, fully integrated. As you see here on the door, it's got the buttons, the power button, and then you've got a time delay option there. This is another button with options. Here you've got the program button, which takes you through different programs. And then here you can choose whether to have only from up or bottom or all over the water. And then this changes the temperature, I believe, and the speed. Okay, inside we obviously have the soap dish, soap tray thingy, the rinse aid thingy. There you've got where the salt goes. We have at the top we have a cutlery drawer, which is quite handy because then you can just lay it all flat like that. You can actually take it out, I believe. Okay, and then this drawer is where all the cups and glasses and everything go, and you can actually, you have this bit here which you can either leave like that, or stick like that, so you can put something underneath and something on top. You have that on both sides, which is great. Here at the bottom is where all your plates go and your bigger stuff. You've got, in case you have more plates, you can take that and put it open, which is also brilliant, because if you have less plates you just put it back down, and then there's more space. Overall, I think it's a great machine. It's very quiet compared to the one we had before. My main concern is the fact that my plates, when I put them in, well, I'll show you, put it out like that, they don't actually seem to fit because the spray thing doesn't go round. So I can't actually put all my plates in the dishwasher anymore. That's slightly annoying. Other than that, I've been quite impressed with this machine. Although it has occasionally got the problem where it doesn't take the actual product out. So even though we put it on the special program for all-in-one tablets, it didn't actually take the tablet out. Yeah, other than that, we're quite happy, and as you see, we put a nice red door on, so it looks really nice. And I like that you can see the time here, how long it takes approximately for your machine to run. Yeah, that's it. So all in all, a really nice little machine. It's not a massive one, but you don't always need big, do you? And I do like the cutlery drawer because it makes it easier to make sure that everything gets done. Alright, well, thank you for looking at my review, and I hope I've helped you make a decision.